Was céimóí ceapacháin airí nua was saoil le glán agus le gorja. Déanam cogorjas leis an teachta Joe McHugh atá ceapta ina ara idicus agus gilena, agus tá cínta go ndéanfaí sé go tufa le dul chun Kyne a mhainfí ar muintir brodas. Déanam cogorjas leis le Harry Seán Kyne agus Seán Kyne freisin, agus le Richard Bruton as a ceapacháin nua go n-éirí an tálamh. Mullam na ceapacháin seo don teach. And so, Ceann Comhairle, I commend these appointments to the House.
Margaret Hishik and Chuck Derek O'Leary.
Margaret Ceann Comhairle, Ardús Guillaume Gafra, Gudi an Aaron Nua, Joe McHugh, Seán Kyne, Seán Kyne, agus an Ara Táig Dul Gudi Balia Ella, Richard Bruton, Gafra Gudi Declan, agus the Loch Takiach. Ceann Comhairle, I want to congratulate firstly Deputy Joe McHugh on his succession from the high chair to the senior table. I think you get all of the good wishes of every deputy in the House. Personally, you're somebody who has made a huge effort with every deputy, both as Chief Whip and as beforehand. I welcome your family, particularly former Deputy Enright, to the gallery. This is a huge night of celebration. Very few people have actually served around the cabinet table, and it is a great honour. I know it's an honour that you will carry very well. It's an honour that you will respect, and I know that you will do your country, your county and your party proud in the Department of Education. Guillaume Gafra fresh and Gudi an Aras Nua Kyne. Yes, it will be an interesting job as Chief Whip in the coming days, but I'm more interested in his position as Aaron Gaeltachta. Tá tahu mór the high and winter in the Gaeltachta. A caihíh mid a bheith obair muid na Gaeltachta chun é a spraga. Agus táid faoi lábhrú sna Gaeltachta ag an nóid seo chun éir chumad agus chun méir chumad bio. Agus tá brú mór agus baid brú mór ar an ára nua é sin a réitiú the high cebe am a bhaith agus an Norfolk.